was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I thought I would do a bit more of a realistic clean with me and just slow it down, potter around the house and just get done what I need to get done without going the extra mile, because we don't always have time to do that. Sometimes we do just have to go around, do a quick pickup, make everything nice and tidy without doing a deep clean. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I really hope it helps motivate you to tackle some of your to-do list and just potter around the house with me. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it.
We'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by, by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over.
So I only recently put the toaster away. I actually just put it under the bed because we just never used it, but it's time to bring it back out because Rob wanted to get a bread maker and he's now making his own bread. So I had to pull it back out because we're having a lot more toast and stuff, and I'm now just trying to figure out where to put it. I really just put it away to begin with because it was just extra clutter and everything, and now I need to try and make room for the bread maker and the toaster. But this is just real life. It's not always gonna look pretty as long as it's practical. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop everything up here, try and keep all of the appliances together, and then we can just move on from there.
Memories come back when I'm with you. should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast.
So the final thing that I wanted to get done today was the bedroom. So I'm just doing a quick pickup and then making the bed. I love how the bedroom looks with the bed made. It's just so cozy. I really hope that you've enjoyed this slowed down, realistic clean with me, and it's still giving you a ton of motivation to potter around the house and clean with me today. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if it did, and I will see you back here in the next one.